Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Valentino from Disney's Wish. So let's get started. To draw this cute goat, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the eye area. So we're going to come right here and just bring down a curve. So this is kind of like the bridge, the nose area of our goat. So then I'm going to come right across and say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the same curve on the other side. I'm just drawing these two really long curves. Then from there, let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring it up. So we're kind of aiming to draw this, I guess like a squarish, ovalish shape, I guess. So we're going to bring it down to say about right there and widen it out a little bit, and then we're going to bring it in. So about right here. And connect. So a little bit flatter towards the bottom. So same thing over here, go back up, just like the other side, bring it across, and about right there. Once again, we're going to come down, a little bit wider about here, and then connect. There, so we have these two openings. From there, let's go ahead and then we're going to come inside and we're going to draw kind of the same shape but a little bit rounder. So let's say about right here and go up all the way top and then come down. We just want to leave a little bit of space and connect. There. Oops, make this a little bit straighter. There, and then from there we're going to come about right here and draw this big circle right in this corner. And then right about here I'll add another circle for highlight and then shade everything else in. So sorry, there's a lot of layers for this eye, so hopefully I'm not confusing you but helping you. There, and then let's see, let's come back in here and we're going to thicken this top part up just to anchor it a little bit better. Okay, and then at the top right here we're going to come about, say right here, go across and down for the brow. And it's a dark brown, so it's like a brown, so I'm not going to color it in. So same thing here, since I'm over here, you kind of know where the brow is. I'm going to go down. And so once again, same thing. We're going to kind of follow top and then go up, nice and high. Bring it down and connect. And then once again, in this space right here, we're going to add a circle. And a highlight and shade this all in. Almost there, and then we need to thicken this up. There. Okay, finally have the eyes in. A little bit wobbly, but hopefully I helped you. You have the idea. Then from there, let's come down, say about right here in the center. I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve right there. A little bit flatter, soft curve, and then I'm going to connect it with a V, widen out V for our little goat's nose. It's a little bit thicker right there. And then I'm going to come straight down. And about right here, I'm going to curve up and cap it off. So a little bit straighter, cap it off. There. Then from there, we need to frame this area. So right in between the eyes, I'm going to come about right here and draw a higher curve. So a little bit steeper curve right in between the eyes. And then I'm going to come around the mouth, and then we need to come down for our goat's beard. So I'm going to bring this down past the mouth and then say about right here. Just going to go ahead and zigzag towards the center and connect for our beard for our goat. There. Okay, so now that we have that finally, you know, I'm looking at this and it needs to be a little bit, sorry, it's bugging me. The side's a little bit bigger, so. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So we need to get really close to this eye, and so let's say about right here, give myself a point, and here as well. And then from there, we're gonna come down at an angle. Same thing here, just bring it down at an angle. And then about right here, we're gonna bring it out. We're gonna keep going out. And so we wanna bring a curve back to about right here. So same thing on the other side, just keep that in mind. And so about right here, I'm gonna come out and then zigzag a little bit and bring in a curve all the way back. So the face shape is a little bit triangular, so it's narrower at the top and wider towards the bottom. So same thing here. So it's about the same area right there. Zigzag, and then bring in a curve. There. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this up to the top, and then say about this high, about towards the center. I'm just going to zigzag again for 2 little tufts of fur, and then bring it down. There, so finally finished the head. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the ears, these floppy ears. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to pop out a curve and bring it out to about right here. Round it off and bring it right back in. And then for some details, you come about right here, follow your curve, and then just taper it in. So make this a little bit rounder. So hopefully you're using a pencil. Make any kind of adjustments you need. Okay, so same thing over here, just like the other side. We're gonna come about right here, and we're gonna go down, in, and so same thing like the other side, about right here. And I'm just going to drag this point across so I know approximately how low to just say about right there, just approximate. And I'm going to go out, bring it in, and connect. And then once again, same thing, come about right here, and just taper it in. There, finally done with his head. Okay, so then now let's draw his cute little body. We're gonna come to where the beard is, so about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a curve on both sides. So this little outfit that he's wearing, his little collar, I'm gonna go curve and continue my curve. And putting another notch right here and then continue. And now we can go ahead and draw his front leg, so it's come down on both sides. So then about right here and here. Let's go ahead and bring this down a little bit more. Say about right there and then connect. So same thing here. And connect. And then his hooves. So let's come in about right here, and we're going to curve towards the center. So about right here, and same thing here. About right here, curve towards the center. And then on this side, we're going to come down, widen it out a little bit, and connect. And then a hoof right here. Same thing on this side. Down and widen out a little bit and connect. And once again, a hoof. And then whatever space you have left, so say about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then for the legs, so let's come about right here. And I'm going to pop out a curve, come in to about, say about right there. Then I'm going to pop this line out. I'm going to angle it out, and then about right here, I'm going to curve and bring it in. There. And then in this space right here, I'm going to draw an oval for the hoof and another line. There, and so same thing on the other side, about right here. Once again, bring it down just like the other side, about right there. And once again, cut it off, and then round, and bring it in. And oval right here, another line to complete the feet. There, and there's some details right here, like a little curve, add one right here, and hopefully I haven't forgotten anything. I'll add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Valentino from Disney's Wish. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.